Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually change the screensaver on our computer screen. Right? Because the screen might not look the way you want it, right? And you want to change it to a different screen, but you don't know exactly how to do it, you don't know where to go. I'm going to guide you through this particular process here. So it's very important. Right? So the first thing that we want to look at, right, we're going to come right here in the taskbar. We can search for settings, or we can come right to the startup menu. When you click on the startup menu, what that does is to bring up settings. So we're going to actually go all the way there, right? You notice this is a settings. You're going to click on the settings. When you click on the settings, this is how it actually look like, right? So very important there. So now we're actually in the setting here. What you want to look at now is the personalization here. Tap the background and all of that. Notice we also have some network here, internet, we have phone, we have device, we have system, we have apps, account, privacy, gaming. But what we want to focus on is this one, personalization. We're going to click on that. So while you click on that particular one, right, if you notice over here, we have background, we have the color, screensaver, theme, font, start, and taskbar, right? So what we want to be looking at, how we can actually change, because this is set to the current desktop. And if I come right here and I click on that, right? Notice here it actually changed. But how do I know if it will change on the desktop? Alright, you're going to come right here. You're going to click. You notice it actually changed on the desktop. Alright, so you're going to come here, so back in that taskbar and bring it up. You're going to try this one. You notice up here it changed. You're going to try that one. Notice again it changed. When you're finished with that, definitely if you want to put like maybe a solid color, you can click right here. Right, you can say solid color slideshow. One of these, they're very important. So this is the way you can actually go. If you want to put like a theme, you can come right over here. So you click on theme, right? If you notice all the way here, sure they can put on different themes here. Like that. So if you don't want to put on themes, what you can do, you can come here, click at home, go right back to the beginning, and you can click here and actually go back, right? Click here and go back. I can come all the way up here to this X and you close it. You notice we have a new background. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, very important.